Hello Yogi, my name is Francesco and today I'm going to explain the best way to learn yoga. Let's roll the intro! Yoga is the science of well-being. Yoga comes from the word yuj, which means to connect, to join, to unite. Yoga is knowledge. It's about two things connecting to each other, and in the individual case, it's about our consciousness connecting with our inner self. In more simple words, yoga helps you to stabilize and harmonize our body, mind, and emotion. Now, what are the benefits of practicing yoga? The first benefit that you get from practicing yoga is to our physical dimension, the body. You will notice an improvement in your respiration, which will increase your vitality. It protects you from injuries thanks to the increased muscle strength and tone. Helps to maintain a balanced metabolism, improve your cardio and circulatory health, and increase flexibility. So, as you understand, there's many benefits that come from a regular practice. If you like this video and you're looking for more content about yoga and nutrition, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now, let's talk about what do we need to practice yoga. In one sentence, the willingness to change. The core of yoga is about changing and about personal transformation. In order to do this, you need open-mindedness. You need to have the will to learn new things and the will to understand our individual pattern behavior. So put all these things together and get ready to start a beautiful journey. In the next video, I'm going to explain what Yogasana is and how to start your practice in the best way. But for now, ciao! If you like this video and you're looking for more you can call me Frank. Hello Yogi, my name is Francesco and today